Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the steps to prevent the app from accessing your camera. Whether you're safeguarding your privacy or just want to limit Snapchat's permissions, this guide will help you do it quickly. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Swipe over to your Settings app, that gear-shaped icon you use to tweak your device. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Apps or App Management, depending on your phone's model. Tap it to open the full list of applications installed on your device. Now, it's time to find Snapchat in that list. Scroll through your apps alphabetically or use the search bar at the top to type Snapchat. Once you spot the app's iconic ghost logo, tap it to open its settings. Inside Snapchat's app settings, you'll see several options. Look for Permissions. This is where you control what parts of your phone Snapchat can access. Tap it, and you'll see a list of permissions the app currently has, like camera, microphone, or location. Find the camera option in the list. By default, it's likely set to Allowed. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu with two choices: Allow and Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow to revoke Snapchat's access to your camera. Once you've made the change, exit the settings and open Snapchat to test it. You'll notice the app can no longer access your camera, and you might even see a prompt asking you to re-enable the permission. Don't worry. This means the change worked. And that's it. In just 5 steps, you've taken back control of your camera permissions. Remember, you can always revisit these settings later if you change your mind. Privacy is all about choice, and now you've got the power to decide when or if Snapchat can use your camera. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more tips to keep your digital life secure. Until next time, take care and keep your tech working for you.